Guys, this is Jits Tavern Resort. Muna siyang cottages nila guys. Pwede ka mag-overnight dere. Na sila pwede ka magluto din he. Na sila kitchen, na sila gasol, na sila swimming pool. This is swimming pool. Dili na siya intended for the lovers, also for the couples and families. Children's party pwede din he. So guys, to all my followers, viewers, and supporters, come and visit Jits Tavern Resort.